Today in this video we will see what to do if you can't activate cellular data option from the control center of your iPhone. Now if I open the control center, right now you can see the cellular data option is disabled. I can't enable it. So if you want to fix this issue, then what you do is go to settings here, scroll down and go to this option screen time. Scroll down, select this option content and privacy restrictions, go to this option cellular data changes, then you need to enter the screen time passcode and select allow for cellular data changes. So once you do it, then open the control center, and if you see, now I can enable cellular data or I can disable this option. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.